She fight to take me no wind, this cat nigga can't even see me on wind. She fight to flight, nigga win this cat. She fight to flight, man, on way out of here.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deaysah. If you're new, welcome, and if not, welcome back. And in today's video, you guys will be watching me install this red wig. The hair is from Amazon, so right now I'm just showing y'all the wig. I can't remember the name, but if I figure out the name, I will put it in the description box or the comment section of the video.
Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't 4PF, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling, but if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO.
Using the watercolor method, using the colors Crimson, Wild Cherry, and Raging Red.
I might put me in some picture boat. They look bright, this nigga's like getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers low. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. 30 people don't play with me, period. You just follow behind the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise to God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I'm no whacking up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Picking hit after he call me very fun. For this Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Lost and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the car, let her feel the sun. My broke see is up by 5,000 money. Got the bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my collar, we stacking up wallow and collar and try get it mega buck. See them drippin' little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BML. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right and left. And you can't go to car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling through me in a present. Time is 50 flying, Richard Mello. But they got me to his temple. The color spit the flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but I'm tempted to spin it.
After I finish dyeing the hair, I'm going to be taking some color removal on the knots to lift some of that color off. I ended up using 2 packets, but I didn't show the other one on camera.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who wait in line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me, I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I be wildin'.
So I'm starting off with the usual, applying the wig cap and cutting out my ear tabs, and then I'll be going around the perimeter of my hairline with Ebon Lace Glue. I think I used a yellow bottle, but I can't remember what the hold is. I think it's Extreme.
Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do. Just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder.
this verse starts as my sniper.
Now I'll be going in with my makeup shade in the brand Ruby Kisses. I use the color 15, and then I'll be going in to cut off all that excess cap.
Let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
Ooh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but
now that the wig is on my head, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my ear tabs out so it fits nicely on my head.
It's just not our season, the one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the
Using that
magic
same
go?
Ebon
I followed
lace
the rules
glue,
and told you
I'm going to be
everything you had to
using
know.
3
Had you
layers, and I'm
over
going to wait
every
until they
night.
dry
Every night
clearly
was
before
passionate.
applying
Plus
it.
you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
Ooh, you had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. I can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why?
After the third layer is dry, I'm going to go ahead and place my lace into the glue, and then before using my lace band, I'm going to make sure I blow dry that glue with the lace on about cool heat for like 10 minutes.
See, it's funny cause I never thought this would end, but then the season changed. Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with.
After I finish blow dry, I'm going to go ahead and put my lace band on. If y'all listen to Ekane says an hour, so y'all better do an hour to get that melt. And then I'm going to go ahead and start styling my hair. I just kept it simple and went with the side part with some baby hair on the side.
You on the scene. Think you know your girl so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you feel your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Family been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me
So I cut my lace off camera and then I just glued all the excess pieces that didn't have any glue down. Now I'm taking that same Ruby Kisses foundation in the shade 15 and then I will apply my Tresemme Extreme Hold hairspray on top to melt that lace one more time.
From all the above, the more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share, but call you up and call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I've been not alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. No one else around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking good. Say my name, you like the captain stay there. Baby, you are the second. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, no one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and starting some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No new friends, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes.
This is the final result. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
I need someone that will help me, because someone besides myself.